This is my old Kenmore dishwasher that broke, and in this video I'll show you how to remove an old dishwasher. So let's get started. Step 1. Before doing anything, turn off the water supply under the sink. It's the one that goes to the dishwasher. Also, unplug the electrical cable for the dishwasher, and for extra measure, you can even turn off the circuit breaker as well. Step 2. On the bottom of the dishwasher, you will find 2 screws that are holding this cover. Remove both screws and you will be able to remove the cover. Mine looks very disgusting. Step 3. Open the dishwasher and you will see 2 metal brackets screwed into the bottom of the countertop. Remove them both. Step 4. Under the dishwasher where the cover was, you will find a small electrical enclosure that is secured by 1 screw. Use a screwdriver or a drill and remove that screw. Inside, you will find a wire cable connected to the dishwasher. Disconnect the wire nuts and use a screwdriver to disconnect the ground wire from the enclosure. There's also this nut that holds the cable attached to the enclosure. Remove that and pull the cable out. If you know what the name of the nut is, leave a comment below. Step 5. Remove the pipe or hose that is connected to the dishwasher. Mine is on the left side and unfortunately mine is hard piped. I used a wrench to get it started and then make sure to have a towel underneath before you remove it by hand. Step 6. Open the door and slowly try to wiggle the dishwasher out from under the cabinet. You will not be able to remove it all the way just yet, as you will need to remove the drain hose. As you can see, this is where we removed the cable, and this is where the water supply was connected. Now we need to remove this drain hose. Get an empty container ready and a pair of pliers and remove the hose clamp. Once you pull the drain hoses apart, you will need to drain each hose into the container as much as possible to avoid a big wet mess. Next, take a vacuum and clean up the area where the dishwasher was before. Give this video a like and check out this video where I remodeled this bathroom. Thanks.